to think that IEPs are for everybody, and that's something that doubt is clear that there's something called 504 plans as well. IEP definitely is needs a licensed professional again, and I understand that there are certain set of say 13 uh, kind of categories for it. 504 are basically children who may be with disabilities but who do not require special needs, severity kind of IEPs. And then you have behavior intervention plans, and it's really very clear that who's responsible for a licensed practitioner or a teacher, and even the role of the teacher. One of the questions then I had put in the chat was that what kind of further teacher development, and I would love to have some links on it. What do we do as part of teacher training to support our students in an IEP or a 504 plan? Because after all, teachers are teaching, they're the first caregiver, and they are accountable. So on that note, a reflection with ending a question with a question, I think will keep the learning going on. So thank you so much for that.